Welcome to all. Today we'll solve a most expected question from Straight Lines chapter of class 11. Okay, a question is given like this. The equations of sides of a triangle are 7x plus y minus 10 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Another equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. See, orthocenter is point of congruence of altitudes. So let us take altitude from A, AD is one altitude. Another altitude will take from B, B is another altitude. And the point of intersection of AD and BE will give the orthocenter. First we need to find the vertices of the triangle, coordinates. How to find the coordinates when line equations are given? Yes, we have to solve them. See, if I solve these two equations, I am going to get coordinates of A. Okay, I already wrote coordinates. First, but we'll solve and we'll verify. Okay, we can use cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, we will write like this. Here we have to write coefficients of y. Here y coefficient is minus 2 and in this line equation it is 1. Next we have to write constant terms. Here it is 5 and here it is 2. Again we have to write x coefficients. Here also 1, here also 1. And the same, first one what we wrote, here also we'll get the same coefficients we have to write. Now x upon what we are going to have? We have to do cross multiplication. Minus 2 times 2, minus 4. We have to subtract minus 5. Here 5 minus 2. Here 1. Minus of minus means plus 2 will get. Okay. So what we are going to get? X upon minus 9 and y upon 3 and 1 upon 3 we are having. Okay, what we can do? Equate first and last ratios. What we are going to get? X upon minus 9 equal to 1 upon 3. So what we are going to get? X as minus 3. Similarly, last two ratios if we equate, we'll get y equal to 1. Therefore, the coordinates of A is minus 3, 1. Similarly, if we solve these two line equations, we are going to get coordinates of B, that is 1, 3. And if we solve these two equations, we are going to get coordinates of C, that is 2, minus 4. For finding the coordinates of A, B, C, we are going to get 3 marks C. For finding coordinates of A, we'll get 1 mark. Here 1 mark, here 1 mark. Here we are going to get 3 marks. After finding vertices, next step is to find the line equations of AD and BE. Okay, how to find line equations of AD and BE, we'll see now. See, what we can do, here AD and BC are perpendicular. BC vertices are known. If vertices are known, first we will find the slope. Slope of BC. Okay, and vertices are known, how we will find? Yes, it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here we can take this as x1 y1. Here we can take this as x2 y2. y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1 2 minus 1. So here its slope is minus 7 upon 1, minus 7 it is. Next, slope of AD we can write straight away. This implies slope of AD is. How to find slope of AD? See, BC and AD are perpendicular to each other. When one slope is known, other slope will be negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal means here minus of 1 upon 7. So 1 by 7 we are going to get. How you found means, since AD and AD is perpendicular to BC. If we know the slope of BC, we can write slope of AD. Okay, after finding the slope, we can find the equation of ADC. How to find the equation of AD? The equation of AD is, we know the slope and one point is known, that is A, vertex is A, minus 3 comma 1. Okay, we will use point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Okay, here y minus y1, y1 means we have to take 1 now. Okay, not this one. 1 we have to take, m times, m slope we found 1 upon 7 it is. X minus x1, here minus of minus 3, plus 3 we will get. So here we can do cross multiplication. 7 times we have to multiply. 7 times y minus 7 will be equal to x plus 3. Okay, we can bring the terms one side and we'll get the equation of what we are going to get, the equation of AD line. Okay, that is plus 7y, I am transposing to that side. So minus 7y. Minus 7 if I take to that side, plus 7. So 7, there already 3 is there. 7 plus 3, 10. We got the line equation. You can number it as 4 like that. Next, see. Similarly, we have to find the equation of BE. Same procedure. Okay. If you find the equation of BE, we are going to get like this. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. See, for finding the vertices, we told each one will get 1 mark. For finding the line equation, you are going to get 1.5 mark. Here finding slope of AD, and afterwards using this and finding the line equation of AD, you will get 1.5 mark, and for line equation B you will get 1.5 marks. So total you scored 6. And we know the orthocenter, if you find no, then you are going to get complete 7 marks. Okay, now we have to find the orthocenter. Orthocenter is point of concurrence of altitudes. Okay, we have to solve this 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5, we get same cross multiplication method we can use. X, y, 1. First I have to write y coefficients. What are y coefficients? Here minus 7, here minus 1. Same thing will be there at the last also. Next, here we have to write constant terms. Here 10 is there, here 2 is there. Next, x coefficients I have to write, they are 1. Okay. Next, see how we will get x upon minus 14 minus of, here minus 10 will get this product, so we'll get plus 10. You see here 14, sorry. Y upon same 10 minus 2. Here we have to do cross multiplication. Minus 1 minus of minus 7 means plus 7. Okay, so here what we are going to get, x upon minus 4 it is. Okay, from minus 14, yes, correct. Next, y upon 8 will get, here 1 upon 7 minus 1, 6 we are going to get. So x upon, you can equate these two things, so that we'll get the x value. Y upon 8 equal to 1 upon 6. Again, so last two things if you equate, we'll get y value. Here see, minus 4 upon 6, you can express in lowest terms 2, 3 times. So minus 2 by 3 will get here. Y equal to 8 upon 6. Again you can express in lowest terms. 4s are 3s. Therefore, orthocenter, required orthocenter of the given lines is minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 3. We have to solve like this. Thanks for watching.